Hey guys, Retro Reviews here again. So this is the separate video review that I was going to do to showcase the transformation of the Zeta Gundam from its mobile suit mode to its Wave Rider mode. If you've seen that video, if you're watching this video review or video, hopefully you've already watched the Zeta Gundam video review or are planning on watching it, but also really want to see how this transformation goes. That's basically why I'm doing this, is because I want to showcase the transformation, but if I kept that looped or linked with the full review, it would get incredibly long, and I don't want to have two or one video go almost way over an hour. So go ahead and start with the transformation of the Zeta Gundam. First thing we'll do is we will fold up the V-fin, and then take the chest plate and the cockpit and kind of just get them out of the way. And then take these, or we'll take this hook piece and fold that forward. And then take these midriff pieces and rotate them up. And then push the head in to the body. And then rotate the rest of the chest plate up around it. And now when you're transforming it back, I do want to point this out here. When you're transforming it back, you want to make sure that the V-fin and the chest panel are going to clear. If you don't, you're going to run the risk of snapping the V-fin off. So always make sure that it will clear before you transform it back into mobile suit mode. Okay? So there's that. Next up, we'll fold these pieces in. And then we'll rotate these out and just get them out of the way for now. And we'll deal with the waist section. And so untab the back skirt armor and the front skirt armor section, which will leave you with these very wobbly parts going on. So also it helps to get the side skirt armor folded down so it's out of the way. But then we're going to take this and we'll need to fold this up and rotate it so that way this, I don't know how well you can see that, but this hole will match with this peg, and then this clip will match up in here. So this is really hard to get done on camera, but go ahead and try to get that done. Like, this is already really difficult to try to get lined up already without trying to get this done on camera, but trying to get it on camera is even more difficult. So there's one. And two. And then also, while you're doing that, you can also rotate the legs so they're pointing down. And now we'll take the front skirt armor section. It's that time of night, so my cats are going crazy. But yeah, so we'll take that front section and then we'll fold it down. And then next we will take these arm assemblies here, and this white section that the arm is attached to will fold around. And then we'll push the arm to lay flat into this section right here. And what I usually do to help get the arms to lay flat is I'll rotate the thumb in and then rotate the fingers around it. So if anybody has messed with the 2007 Leader Optimus Prime from the Michael Bay movie, or the first Masterpiece Optimus Prime / Masterpiece Convoy, basically doing that with the fingers, getting them rotated and out of the way. Like that same exact transformation for the hands on that figure. So, now coming to an intermission point, we will have this. Is what the Zeta Gundam is going to look like, which can still stand up on his own. Now we'll take the shield and we're going to rotate it we're going to rotate these panels here at the 2 pegs. Now this thing has so many clip-on pieces, but we'll deal with that here in a minute. I forgot. We actually don't want to do the shield first. We're just kind of getting that ready. But we are actually going to take these panels and get them folded around. So we'll untab the ball joint from the piece here, and then rotate that around. And as you're doing that, take this panel here and push that out. So it looks like that, while also being able to get this clip rotated out. So now that it looks like that, we're going to get this piece folded around and fold it down, and then tuck the shoulder pad into that section. So that's going to look like that. And then do the same on this side. Making sure you get the clip folded out like so. And then rotate, and then get that all stuffed away. And now we'll get the shield. And there is a tab right here, a tab there, and then these tabs, this clip, and these tabs. So they're going to connect here, 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 and here to hook the shield into there. And you want to start with this clip here, otherwise it makes lining everything, if you don't start there, then it makes trying to get that piece in later a mess, and also trying to get this to interact at the same time, basically. But once you do that, that shield section is secure, and that's not going anywhere until you want it to come apart. And then also, the cockpit hatch is still accessible, which is a really nice touch too. So now, all we have left to do is the finishing touches. We'll take the the side skirt arbor pieces, and we'll want to rotate it around, and then take this little peg here and tab that into this slot here to kind of keep that stable. I said kind of because that's not the best connection. It's not tight, and there's a lot of wiggle room for it to fold around to get into that position. So now go ahead and tap that in there. Now for the legs, almost done. Now we'll take the leg and extend the lower part of the leg out. Making sure everything stays in pegged in, and then we'll rotate. Oh, never mind. We'll rotate at the knee here and here to collapse it in on itself. We'll fold the foot up, and actually we'll push it down, and then take that piece and fold that in. Do the same on this side. And now if you've done it right, which I don't think I have, so hang on. There. If you've done it right, it's going to look like that. And then finally, we'll take the rear fin and fold that out. And then take these flaps and rotate it out. And now there is the Wave Rider complete. So, that's how you do the transformation for the Wave Rider. Going back from mobile suit to, or from Wave Rider to mobile suit mode is basically just reverse the instructions and you'll get to the robot. So I hope you liked this little video that I was going to do to showcase the transformation for this. And as you see, again, cockpit opens up. It's really nice like that. But yeah, so like I said, if you haven't watched, like hopefully if you're watching this video, it's because you're already watching the Zeta Gundam video and you wanted to take a look at the transformation, or you are getting ready to watch the Zeta Gundam review. So if you haven't already yet, check out that video review to get my full opinion on this model kit, and I'll see you there. Bye.